Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to answer the question: is the application for your earbuds HUAWEI FreeBuds SE 2 available on your iPhone? So, I already installed the application what Huawei offer for the earbuds, and if we open it, we can check supported devices. So firstly we need to click at the plus at the left, at the right top, because if we click at here it asks to login, and I don't want to. So I click at the plus and then click at manually. And here it is, we have list of supported devices, so go to entertainment. And right here we have earphones, so click on it. Our model is FreeBuds SE 2, so if it's available for this application, we will locate it here at this list. And right here we have our model. Yeah, we can see it, but if we click on it and click at complete, right here we have a name. So this is actually our earbuds. And my short answer is yes. But if you don't know how to set up and install and set up this application, or how to add these earbuds to the application, you can check a video at this channel. We have about it. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.